Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer tray in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer tray. This freezer tray is located at the middle of the freezer compartment. It easily slides back and forth. The main reason to replace the tray is if it cracked and jams. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. I'm going to pull out the freezer tray and I'm going to lift it up and remove it. This is the old freezer tray next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to place the rear rollers onto the rails. Keep the tray angled up like this, and then put it down, and we can slide it in. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.